Welcome back everyone. Today, we're adding a working door and light system for a FNAF game in Piggy Build Mode. Let's get into it. Start by using a stick display to offset a 3x2 power block. Then, using a monitor, offset a power block behind it. And do the same with a 1x2 block. Layering them this way prevents Z-fighting and makes individual blocks easier to select later on. Once that's done, place a lever and a button in the space between your door and your window. Oh, and remember to place an invisible wall in the door. To break it down, connect your lever to the NOT gate and the top timer gate. Then, link that timer gate to the timer and flipper gates that follow it. Make a mental note of this particular timer gate. It's the one that the game uses to know whether the door is functionally closed or open. Below the NOT gate, connect it to the timer and flipper gates underneath, and follow the same connection pattern as before. Now, let's wire up the door itself. For the top flipper gates, connect the first one to the top layer of the door, the second to the middle layer, and the important timer gate to the bottom layer. For the bottom flipper gates, it's basically the reverse. First flipper gate to the bottom layer, second to the middle, and the third to the top. Set every timer and flipper gate to the same interval. I'd go 0.15 seconds. Finally, place a sound block and connect your important timer gate to it. Here's the sound ID for the door shutting effect. Now the light system is a lot more straightforward. Place another platform next to your door platform. On it, put down an OR gate and a NOT gate. Then, back to your office, place a power block outside that covers both the window and the door, and place a light block just outside the window. Connect your button to both the light block and the OR gate. Then, connect the OR gate to the NOT gate, and the NOT gate to that power block. For the sound, just connect the button directly to a sound block. Here's the ID for the light sound. One last thing, if you hop into the cameras that faces your office, the view might look a little off of a power block sitting there. To fix it, place a touch trigger inside that camera and connect it to that OR gate. That'll keep things looking clean. That's it for today. Next time, we're making the doors actually functional so they block enemies from getting into the office. See you then!